Hi, you guys. I'm finally making a video about equations. Some of the equations I had up there. Well, I'm taking this straight out of the Asvab for Dummies book. So, yeah, it's not actually, this question isn't actually on the test, but it's very similar to it. So I'm about to break it down right now for you guys. Okay. This equation right here is going to look long, so don't freak out. I'm going to break it down as much as possible. I drew arrows and shit right there, but whatever. So, with this problem, okay, you can see how it's like broken down, kind of. First, I did what was in a parenthesis. So I did 5 plus 1, and then I brought the 6 down. I should have drew arrows for that, but whatever. Then I did this parenthesis, 6 divided by 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Then I did this parenthesis, 8 take away 5 is 3. Then after that, I just brought this down. You have to keep it neat or else you're just going to lose pace and you're going to get the problem wrong. Then I multiplied 6 times 2 times 3. If you're wondering what the dots is, it's like multiplication symbol. So 6 times 2 times 3 is 36. So I brought that down. And what I did right here is I took the s and distributed it. So I did, since the x is outside the parentheses, I multiplied the x by the 3. That's what you do with the variable. If it's any number outside the parentheses, you multiply what's within the parentheses. So I did x times 3, x times 3. So I brought it down right here. I put it back in the parentheses. You don't have to put it back in the parentheses, but I did just to keep a consistency with my work. So I did 3x plus 3x. And then I brought that down, and I got, of course I brought the 36 down just to keep it lined up straight. So 3x plus 3x is 6x. I brought the 6x right there. 36 equals 6x. And then what I did was divided on each side by 6. The reason why I did it by 6 is because the variable, and anytime the number is by the variable, that's what number you divide it by or multiply it by. So in this case, you divide it right now. So I divided by 6. I cancel this out just to make sure I don't get that confused. So 36 divided by 6 is 6. You see what I did there? Okay, and I have another problem. Kind of like that. It's not as long, but it's kind of tricky too, in a way, because if you don't, then you will get the wrong answer. Because I remember when I took my practice test, I got it wrong because I failed to realize it was squared. So, yeah, here it goes. Oops. Can you see that? Can you see this? Okay, yeah. There you go. So, of course, I did it the same way the other problem did, was within the parentheses first. So I did 3 times 3 is 9. 5 take away 3 is 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. And I brought this down. This is x squared. When the exponent is at the top like that, it's squared. So it's x squared. After that, of course, I brung it down like how I did in the last problem. 9 times 2 times 8. Don't forget the little dots I did is multiplication symbols. Then I did, oh yeah, and then I brought this down, of course, to keep your work lined up. You want it neat. Then 9 times 2 times 8 is 144. Make sure you multiply all 3 of the numbers together. Don't do like separate kind of stuff because you're going to get mixed up. So after that, you bring, it's 144. You bring the x squared down. And 144 squared is x equals 12. when it's squared like this, you just square this number. So 12 times 12 gets you 144. You know, so if this was 81 instead of 144, it would be 9. The answer would be 9. Do you know what I'm talking about? Like, say if this was, instead of 144, this was, this was 5. This was 25. So 25, and then it says equals x squared, then the answer will be 5. It's just squared whatever that number is right there. It's not, the equations isn't that hard. It's like made up like this, just like this. So yeah, it's not that hard. I don't think it's that hard. I'm gonna make another video about exponents, because it's exponents on the test. I forgot to mention that in my Asvab video, the other video I made. But I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna break down those, because those are kind of confusing too, because yeah, I didn't know. I forgot about that. But yeah, that's how equations work for the Asvab. It's really just set up like this. Like, mostly you will see it just like how the first problem I had, like just like this. Just how I had it in the first problem. It'll be just like that. That's how it'll be set up, and you have to answer it. So just follow the steps I just showed you, and make sure your work is neat. Don't worry about the time. Like, just don't worry. As long as you get the answer right, then you're fine. Like, just don't worry about the time. Because every time you look at the time, you're gonna start panicking, and you don't need that. You really don't. But yeah, I'm gonna make a video about exponents soon. I know I've been supposed to make this video, but I'll be so busy. Like, I'm so sorry, guys. Like, I'll be so busy. And I know a lot of people need help with the math part. This is math knowledge. I'm going to do arithmetic reasoning soon, but I can't, like, people normally have problems with the math part, so that's why I'm trying to stay on the math thing. But I'm going to do arithmetic reasoning. I'm going to find a problem that I told you about, the D equals RT formula, because that's on the Asvab, so I'm going to make a video about that too, probably at the same time with the exponents. No, I'm going to make 2 separate videos. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, I got 35 more days left. I'm excited. You don't know how excited I am. If I'm looking down, that's because I'm texting my boo. I miss her a lot. I miss her. I can't wait to summer. Like, I can't wait to summer. I'm gonna make sure she comes visit me. But yeah, that don't have nothing to do with you guys. But whatever. You don't know how much I've been missing people. Like, this be in the way. Like, but yeah, that's it. So bye.